Hello everyone! Today we're going to learn the types of media. I'm your teacher and this is Media and Information Literacy. So let us start. What can you see in the picture? We can read the Philippine Daily Inquirer and Abante Tonight. So these are newspapers where we can read news and articles about what is happening in the Philippines and in the world. How about this? So obviously these are books. Next, how about these? Are you familiar with these? These are magazines where we can also read fun and entertainment. Yeah, we can read fun articles here. These are magazines. Next, how about this? We can read the Superman, Avengers, Amazing Fantasy, Detective Comics. So yes, these are comics. So what type of media are those? Okay, sorry you cannot see the pictures because the mobile app that I am using right now is somehow incompatible with the Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. But what type of media are those? As you have seen kanina, the newspaper, books, comics, and the magazines. So they are called print media. This is the first type of media. So what is print media? It is a type of media consisting of paper and ink. This is a very simple definition. So the first type of media is print media. Next. So I'm sure you're very familiar with this. This is a television, an old kind of television. Next, of course, this is radio, where we can hear or listen music. How about this? Of course, these are mobile phones and we are using it every day. How about this? We can see Toy Story and Avatar. So these are, movies and films. So what type of media are those? Those are broadcast media. And this is the second type of media. So what is broadcast media? It is a media that reach target audience using airwaves as transmission medium. So broadcast media, television, radio, and films or movies. So again, the first type of media is print media. The second type of media is this broadcast media. Let us figure out what is the last one. So what can you see in the picture? So this is internet or interconnected network. Next, how about this? We can see Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Viber, and WeChat, Messenger. So these are social media. Next, obviously these are computers. So what type of media are those? The computer and the social media. That is digital media or the new media. So how do we define digital media? It is part of the digital media when contents are organized and distributed on digital platforms such as the social media and when we use the computer. So this is the third type of media. Again, the first type of media is print media. The second, broadcast media. And the third one is digital media. So the print media, again, is consisting of paper and ink. Examples, newspaper, comics, and books. The second one, broadcast media, is a media that can reach target audience using airwaves as transmission medium. Examples are TV, radio, and films. And the last one is digital media, wherein contents are distributed on digital platforms such as computer and social media. Alright, so let us talk about media convergence. I'm sorry, natabunan ng media, but that is media convergence. So as you can see in the picture, there is someone holding a phone, mobile phone, and icons and logos of YouTube, a like emoji, an icon of message, the logo of Twitter, and an icon for internet. So let us talk about media convergence. But first, let us define what is converge from the word convergence. So converge means meeting at a point, and it is synonymous to the words join, unite, or merge. So media convergence, it refers to the process of combining print, audio, and video into digital form to operate in synergy or pinag-isa sila. Okay. So as we can see now in the picture, there's a mobile phone. So because this is one of the best examples of media convergence, our cell phone. So as we can see in the picture, we can access music, we can access the internet, and we can also watch TV or movies and films in our cell phone. So this is an example of media convergence where we can access different media sources or platforms in one medium. Okay, so media convergence happens when two or more media sources join together. All right, so another example is the computer, because when we use computer, we have access to different media sources or platforms such as the YouTube. We can watch movie and films. We can also search for music, and we can also search or use web browsers such as Google Chrome for us to research for the things that we need to search, or when we are searching or looking for something, right? So we can access using the computer. All right, so other examples of media convergence are internet, because we can search articles, the news, we can watch TV when we use the internet, and we can watch films, we can read articles online. And other example also is the Google, because the Google is kumbaga daghan siya, or daghan ka nga klase-klase nga platform. For example, Gmail, where we can send electronic mails. We also have Google Drive, where we can store our files and we can access them online anywhere. Also, we have Google Plus, Google Hangouts, and the one that we use during our online interaction, the Google Meet. So Google is a very good example of media convergence. And then of course the Facebook, because in the Facebook we can now watch movies, diba? Na mga link, we can watch movies. Now we can also send messages via Messenger and do video calls using Messenger. So Facebook is also one example of media convergence. All right. So time to ponder. Now that you already know the types of media and what is the media convergence, so now how are you going to utilize it to spread awareness to the people about certain social issues? So paano ba natin gagamitin yung ating kaalaman tungkol sa media and media convergence? So that is why you may now start answering the activity on page 29 from your module, wherein you're going to design a campaign plan to spread awareness to the people about certain social issues. And I will be sending a list of social issues that you may use or research so that you can answer the activity. Okay, and then up next, for the part 2 of the third week lessons, we're going to discuss about the media information sources on a different video. So that's it for today. Thank you, class, and have a great day.